In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix state management in old prototypes using the preserve scroll position in Figma. This can be an invaluable skill, especially if you've been grappling with erratic prototype states due to scrolling issues. Whether you're revamping an old project or simply learning the ropes of Figma's features, this walkthrough will simplify the process for you. First, let's start off by heading to Figma, our collaborative interface design tool. If you're not logged in already, take a moment to click on the Login button. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. Here you'll find all your ongoing projects neatly lined up and ready for action. Next, click on Design to open up your project space. Within this environment, you'll want to start by creating your elements, which can range from buttons to containers and everything in between. This setup is crucial as it lays the foundation for your state management. Take your time here because well-defined elements can make or break your prototype. Once your elements are set, shift your focus to the prototype mode. It's here where the magic happens. Click on prototype and you'll notice an array of options dedicated to helping you connect and animate your different design elements. Now, zero in on interaction settings. This is where you'll define how users move through your prototype. Consider how each element should interact upon user input to create a seamless flow. With interactions in place, it's time to focus on the state settings. This is an incredibly useful feature, particularly for maintaining consistency in your design. In the state panel, you can define specific behaviors and conditions that your interface needs to adhere to throughout various scenarios. This aspect of Figma allows you to maintain and manage design integrity, even as interactions become more complex. Lastly, let's delve into the preserve scroll position feature. By clicking on the option Reset Scroll Position, you enable an important functionality. This comes into play when your users navigate away and then return to a previous screen. Instead of defaulting to the top of the screen, this setting will preserve their scroll point, significantly improving user experience by saving them the hassle of scrolling through the information again. And that wraps up our tutorial. By the end of this video, you should have a refined understanding of how to fix state management issues in your old prototypes using Figma's Preserve Scroll Position feature. Not only does this enhance user navigation, but it also contributes to a more polished and seamless design outcome. Practice these steps and experiment to see how these adjustments can elevate your designs. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial session where we'll explore more about Figma's versatile design tools.